recut all the stuff. So are we? I guess we're both pretty much in frame.
Yeah, we're in frame.
All right.
So you want me to start?
Yeah, you start.
I seem to be comfortable chatting in front of this thing.
So yeah, you start, and then I'll jump in after.
Okay. Hi guys, we just wanted to say thank you. We've reached 100 subscribers, so that's definitely a monumental one for us. And we want to say thank you, and we appreciate that.
Well, I don't know 100 people, so there's some people I don't know who are watching, so thank you. I guess you appreciate something more than the fact that you know me, or Chris. So we're going to do our best to keep going with that.
Bit of a teaser, guys. We've got a little project here behind us, which is going to be the next follow-up to the Hyundai, which is actually a Fiat 500. So I think you guys saw it in the initial video, but we've got it in a lot of pieces. So we're hoping to see it go back together again. We put a significant amount of work into this one, so people with a Fiat 500 will have some ideas of what it's like to work on. It's terrible. So we'll see what you guys think. And wonderful car, terrible to work on, just like I said. All right.
Well, thanks again from Peasant Garage. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.